Divide 774 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 6. So we put down this 7 and it is 17. 6 times 2 is 12. On subtracting we get 5. So again this 5 is less than 6. So we put down this 4 and it is 54. 6 times 9 is 54. On subtracting we get 0. So 774 divided by 6 is 129. So this much for today and thanks for watching.